Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ace Learning with Sneh. My name is Sneh Gehi and today we're going to learn about industry and the types of industries. What is an industry? An industry is the commercial production and sale of goods and services. The term commercial refers to any business done with the sole motive of earning a profit. It is not done for personal gain or for social service. The three types of industries based on the scale are as follows: small scale industry, medium scale industry, and large scale industry. When is an industry said to be a small, medium, or a large scale industry? When the investment in plant and machinery by the industry is more than 25 lakh and is up to 5 crore, it is termed as a small scale industry. Whereas when the investment in plant and machinery by the industry is above 5 crore but less than 10 crore, it is termed as a medium scale industry. And when the investment in plant and machinery by the industry is above 10 crore, it is said to be a large scale industry. However, when an industry is in the service sector, the investment limits are a bit different. When an industry has invested in equipment of more than 10 lakhs but it does not exceed to 2 crore, it is a small scale industry. When the investment in equipment is more than 2 crore but does not exceed 5 crore, it is a medium scale industry. And when the investment in equipment is more than 5 crore in a service based sector, the industry is a large scale industry. Advantages of small scale industries: less amount of capital required. Small scale industries require less capital as compared to large scale. India is a capital scarce country and therefore small scale industries are more suitable in the Indian context. They can be started and run by small entrepreneurs who have limited capital resources. Loans are easily granted. It is easier for small scale industries to grant their loans approved as compared to a large scale industry. This is because usually their loans are smaller in value and they can avail to various subsidies and benefits provided by the government. Decision making is easier. Since the enterprise is small and there is not much hierarchy, quick decisions can be taken. Quick decisions are also helpful in solving problems in the initial stages and also to exploit market conditions. Equal distribution of resources and wealth. Large-scale industries lead to inequalities in income distribution, but small-scale industries distribute resources and wealth more equally. It is because income is distributed among more number of workers since it is labor-intensive. This results in both economic and social welfare. Direct communication with the customer. The small-scale producers generally cater to the local demand. Hence, they remain in touch with their customers. A small producer personally knows all his customers. Therefore, he can produce goods according to the taste and fashion of the individual customer. Advantages of medium-scale industries. Fewer compliance procedures. The compliance procedures for small and medium industries are fewer as compared to a large-scale industry. Therefore, business operations are conducted smoothly with minimal delays. This leads to scope for development. Provision of employment opportunities. Medium-scale industries have a great potential to create large-scale employment opportunities, which is essential for solving widespread unemployment problems of underdeveloped nations like India. Medium-scale industries are labor-intensive. They use more of labor per unit of output than investment. Cost efficiency. Medium-scale units can adopt lean production method which offer better quality and more variety at a lower cost. They can be more cost efficient when compared to large-scale units because their expenses are lower. Opportunity for growth. Small and medium-scale industries have emerged as a dynamic sector of the Indian economy as they play a crucial role at employment opportunities at comparatively lower capital costs than large-scale industries. This provides them an opportunity to grow as well. Earning foreign exchange. Medium-scale industries can earn valuable foreign exchange for the country by exporting products to different countries of the world. At the same time, their imports are very little, so there is less foreign exchange outgo. Therefore, medium-scale industries are net foreign exchange earners. Advantages of large-scale industries. Large-scale production and sales. A large-scale producer can purchase raw materials at cheap rates, which reduces the per-unit expenditure. The production is made with the help of big machines. Therefore, products manufactured by big machines are generally sold at cheaper rates. Large risk-bearing capacity. Every trader faces the periods of boom and depression. During the period of depression, the volume of trade decreases and the producers suffer loss. Since the producer is operating on a large scale, he has the capacity to bear the losses easily. Division of labor. In a big concern, there is ample scope of division of labor. Specialized labor produces a larger output and of better quality. It is only in a large business that every person can be put on the job that he can best perform. The large-scale producer thus gets the best out of every person he employs. Latest equipment. A large-scale producer can install up-to-date and expensive equipment. He can also have his own repairing arrangement. Specialized machinery can be employed for each job. The result is that production is very economical. A small-scale producer with a small market cannot keep the machine continuously working. Keeping it idle is uneconomic. A large-scale producer can work it continuously and reap the resulting economies. Innovations and breakthroughs are possible. A large concern can afford to spend liberally on research and equipment. It is well known that in the long run, these expenses more than repay. Successful research may lead to the discovery of a cheaper process. This may bring about a large profit. Only a large-scale business can incur such expenditure. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.